Hello, Shamanettes, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So it's a new year and it's time for a new glow. So I don't do New Year's resolutions because I never keep them. Are you like that? But I do like to freshen up my look with new tricks and maybe a product or two. So having said that, if you've ever felt like makeup suddenly became more complex, more complicated as we've gotten older, you are not alone. Have you ever watched a makeup video where the artist used something like 50 products and you're thinking, how am I ever going to do that? To combat this, I'm sharing a simple, natural makeup routine that's perfect for beginners, especially mature women. If you don't know me, I'm Suzanne, a celebrity makeup artist. I'm an esthetician and I'm a pro aging advocate. I love getting older. I welcome it. My techniques are about enhancing what you already have, not covering or hiding any so-called faults. I'll be walking through each step on my friend Elaine so you can see exactly how it's done. Let's go. Before we even talk about makeup, let's talk about skin. So hydrated skin is the foundation of any natural makeup look, especially as our skin matures. Makeup always looks better when skin feels comfortable and nourished. So I start with a little vitamin C serum, and then I use a hydrating CC cream that is light to medium coverage. And then I layer the parts of the face with more foundation if I want to add more coverage. I added a little concealer around her eyes and on any discoloration, but I really strive to keep the foundation really light. Wearing foundation has the effect of flattening out your face. So we don't want that. We need to add some bronzer and some blush. Used correctly, these products can add dimension and pop to your face. So I use the bronzer slightly under the cheekbone, your jawline, and high points of the forehead. And I use the blush between the bronzer and the corner of the eye. Think having a really light hand using circular motions to blend well. You want warmth, not stripes. To bring out my model's eyes, I'm adding a soft shade called Toffee all over her eye and under her eye as well. And then I blend it with a really nice new blender brush that I really love. Then I'm using a warm brown eyeliner called Wood to really enhance her beautiful blue eyes. I use it between her lashes on the top eyeline and between the lashes on the bottom. Be careful not to go too heavy on the bottom lashes. It can very, very easily look way too heavy and pull down your eye. To combat this, it's important to blend the liner as much as possible so that there aren't any harsh lines. You want to diffuse everything. So after that, I reach for a mulberry mascara as a fun touch because she will be wearing a maroon jacket for the final shot. Long lashes and colored mascara are an instant eye-opener, and many of you have a drawer full of different brands. Personally, I like to use a lengthening and a thickening formula and then layer as needed. I start at the roots of the lashes and I wiggle a little to coat the length of the lash. With lush lashes, you don't need heavy eyeshadow for a beautiful eye makeup look. As lips mature, hydration becomes everything. A nourished lip balm like Velvet Rose adds softness and polish without settling into fine lines. On Elaine, I apply the lip color first and then a neutral line after. This helps soften the liner and blend everything together more easily. She really, really loved this color. And that's it. Simple, natural, and fresh. So this is the kind of makeup that enhances your features, feels new, and lasts all day long. Makeup at this stage of life isn't about rules or using, God forbid, 50 products. It's about feeling confident, comfortable, and radiant. So I hope this simple routine really helps you start feeling refreshed and glowing, even if you're living in very cold weather. If you enjoyed this, let me know, and I will continue sharing easy beauty tips just like this. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.